Imagine this, your server goes down, but you have no idea. Maybe you're eating lunch, maybe it's in the middle of the night, maybe you're at a funeral. Rest in peace, great Aunt Beatrice. Anyways, you find out 4 hours later when your boss sends you a frantic text and you find a flooded inbox of angry customers and thousands lost in sales. That's why at our company, we use text messages for truly critical alerts. They cut through the clutter like emails and push notifications just can't. And they can wake you up even if the Wi-Fi went down in the middle of the night. And the best news is you can get SMS alerts going in a matter of minutes. You don't need to rewrite your alerting architecture, set up a bunch of APIs, or add new hardware. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to get your email to SMS alerts working again using a new tool called text.email. Pretty much every device, monitoring system, and dashboard can send an email. Email's easy. So our shortcut to text alerts is simply to turn that email into a text. Here's every step you need to follow to set it up. First, head over to text.email and sign up. Second, choose a private email subdomain, which is going to keep your alerts private. Third, you're going to need to update your alerting system. Let's say you're using UptimeRobot or a legacy PHP script. All you do is change the destination email address for your most critical alerts to your number at your subdomain.text.email. And that's it. Now, the moment your system fires off an email, text.email is going to convert it into an SMS and deliver it straight to your phone. This is a drop-in replacement for what some cell phone companies used to offer as part of your plan, before they shut those down because of spam and a bunch of new regulations. You don't have to set up and maintain your own system or try and figure out what A2P 10DLC is and explain to the feds what types of texts you plan on sending. You're just up and running in a matter of minutes, getting your most important alerts texted to you the moment that you need them. The crazy thing is something is going to go down tonight for someone watching this video. The question is how long it takes for them to find out. For some, it might be hours, but it doesn't have to be. Before you click off this video, test it for yourself for free on the text.email homepage. Just send a test email to your number at text.email and watch it hit your phone in seconds. I hope that this video saves you from waking up to a flooded inbox. If you have any questions about the tool, then please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'll try and answer you as soon as possible. But for now, thank you for watching and have a good one.